Nin explains, control and beat stress, stop being stressed. Now, if you're tuning into this, it means that you're stressed for some reason. Maybe it's work related. She's absolutely useless. She just sits there. I do all the work. She doesn't do anything. Maybe it's to do with your friends and family. I can't believe my sister borrowed my thong again. She's stretched out of shape. Maybe life is just getting on top of you. But whatever the reason, I'm going to be controversial now and surprise you with two very interesting facts. Number one, if you are stressed, chances are you've learned to be very, very good at it. Being stressed and reacting with stress is something that you've learned how to do. You've actually conditioned yourself to react this way. And like I said, you've probably become very, very good at it. Number two, there's no such thing as stress. Wait, what? What I mean by that is what you perceive as stress may well be something that you've constructed in your own mind. It's an accumulation of your negative thoughts, your fears, your anger, your worries, your frustrations, and furthermore, your reaction to them. Stress is not a thing that you can see in front of you or hold in your hands. Angry people will find a way to be angry even if there's nothing to be angry about. Sad people will find a reason to be sad even if there's nothing to be sad about. And people who react with stress will find themselves in stressful situations even if there's nothing to be stressed about. Does that make sense? Guys, life is too short to feel like crap, so don't. Make a decision today that you don't want to feel like this, that you want to react with calm and assurance rather than stress and panic. So how do I not feel like crap and not be stressed? Number one, kill your boss. Whether your boss is the cause of your stresses or not, I want you to murder your current employer. You'll need a bladed weapon such as this, and what I want you to do is cut along the carotid arteries here and here, go for the jugulars. You might want to thrust it into his chest as well. And also, if your employer is a male, feel free to chop off his...
Legal disclaimer. This was just a joke. Do not kill your boss or anybody else for that matter. This was just an example of Nin's warped sense of humour, and under no circumstances must you even consider taking another person's life. If your boss is really the cause of your stress, a swift knee to the groin will probably suffice when no one is looking. Once again, do not murder anyone, as Nin will not be held legally responsible for any stupid stuff you decide to do. No joke.
So how do I not feel like crap and not be stressed? Really? Number one, decide. You have to decide whether or not you want to be a person who reacts with stress or not. Do you choose to be stressed or do you choose not to be stressed? Believe it or not, you have a choice over this, but I can't decide that for you. That's up to you. Number two, find the cause or the trigger. Ask yourself, what exactly is causing me this stress? If it's something that you can remove it. If it's something that you can't remove, find a better response for it. Number three, reinterpret. After you've realised what the trigger is, see if you can frame that trigger in a different light. For example, if studying causes you stress, why not see it as a good opportunity to learn something new? Number four, disassociate. Try and distance yourself from your feelings. You have feelings, but you are not your feelings. Everybody gets sad, angry, stressed, and worried all the time, but that's not necessarily who you are. Just realise that these are just symptoms of a problem, and that you have control over these symptoms. More control than you think. Number five, create calm. I want you to put your hand over your heart now, and I want you to remember a time whereby you felt completely relaxed, calm, worry and stress-free. I want you to see what you saw, hear what you heard, feel how good that felt. I want you to put that image in your mind and breathe in deeply, and just remember what it was like to be completely stress-free. Every time you find yourself in a stressful situation, I want you to put your hand on your heart and go back to that place of calm. Once you've done this a few times, it should be relatively easy to calm down pretty much immediately just by doing that. Number six, exercise. If you have negative thoughts, exercise them out. Go for a walk, go for a run, go to the gym, punch something to death, I don't know. The point is, I want you to replace all that bad negative energy with post-exercise calm. Give it a try, especially the calming technique, and watch yourself become calmer and less stressed in your life. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook here as of the 1st of May and follow me on Twitter right there. But on a closing note, guys, stress is a massive problem for quite a lot of people. It's up to you to decide whether or not you want to be part of that or not. Let me know how you get along, comment section below. By the way, guys, I actually love the Queen. Hopefully this isn't portrayed as an act of treason. Please don't have me beheaded. And also, if your employer is a male, feel free to chop off his finger. Haha, finger. You thought I was going to say penis there, didn't you?